This 2024 Jayco White Hawk 27RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, skylight, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, microwave, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco White Hawk 27RB is 6,750 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.